Good morning, everyone. Today I'm back with doing some more of the page kits for 30 days of sketches. And day 3, I must have did 1 and 2 yesterday. No, I have day 2 here someplace. Okay, maybe that's next. I thought I got them in order, but I guess not. Okay, so day 3. It looks like I'll probably need 3 papers and then maybe 1 for some borders. And then I had this kit made when I did the Hello Baby Girl and Hello Baby Boy kits. So I have all this already ready to go. I love that. It took a little bit of the guesswork because I did actually put it together with I did look at one other option too, but between me and the hubby, we like this one the best. I had to have a second opinion. Oh, and let me see. I did throw in the white. This I had in the kit, and it's from a paper pad, and it might have been Maggie Holmes from the looks of the floral. And then these 2 were actually from the paper pad, the Hello Baby Girl. So I could actually, if I thought I need another color, I could maybe cut some from the back, which I didn't even think about having backs on these. I'll tell you one other one I was looking at. It's like I kept flipping it over, wishing there was a back, because I was trying to get more out of it. I think it was one I did yesterday with Jen Hadfield. Okay, so I'll be putting them in bags like this, and I got these on Amazon. And they are 13 by 14. And you can just look up bags. And so I really like that, especially when I'm making a kit that I'm not going to keep forever, you know, that I'm working on. Well, okay, I'm trying to get the air out of it. Okay, and I guess I better put my pictures back in here. Sorry, I thought I had it all together. Okay, the rest of the time I will not be going in and out of the bag. Okay, and this is day 2. And it looks like I only need 2 papers. But I'm going to use this for part of it. And then I thought, you know what? For the other paper I need, it's a smaller piece. So I might just use something out of here, or maybe this here, you know, maybe I'll just use something. Maybe I'll layer something to kind of get the same look. Oh, and I do have stuff back here too. So that's what I'm throwing in. And this is 49 in Market, and it's Rouge. So I just thought that would be fun to play with. And it goes well with my photo. Okay. And then the next one, whoops, I gotta keep my paper here. Okay, this is a really fun one. This is day 10. And I put in a white just because I might build the page on it. And I thought I would put these in here because I think they might go good with my layout. And I think what I figured I actually needed was 2 papers. So, but, oh, and then I also put this in there because one of the papers, it was a little different where I thought maybe I could use this to kind of get the same look. And then, oh, and this is Hello Summer by P13. So I just put in the scraps and the embellishments, and it's going to be a fun one. Well, how do I get a bug in here? Oh, I was outside today, and I'll tell you, it looked like somebody peppered me. I don't know what it was. My husband's going, what's that black on you? I don't know whether somebody was burning something and it was in the air or what. So that's my day 10. Okay, and then my day 22, you'll kind of get an inkling of what I'm going to be doing here, because here's my, I'm going to use an embellishment from here, an embellishment from here. This I'm going to use as one of my papers, and this one I needed about 5 or 6 papers. So I pulled in this gray, this tan, or it's almost like it's lighter than a regular craft paper, so it's more of a tan, and then a green, and then this purple with little black X's on it, and then I have this. So you can kind of get a guess of what I'm doing with that one. So I just need to cut out these, and these are from Mente. This is from a paper pad, but I think it might have been from Bella Boulevard, or maybe this was something else, because this is from Bella Boulevard, and I got it Tuesday morning. Okay, so that's my day 22. And then this one here, oh, I got my pictures showing in. I don't want to show those yet. I don't know if it really matters, but I want it to be a mystery. Okay, and this is day 25. And this is Bohemian Wedding, and this from Mente. This is this paper. It's almost a shame, but this is the paper I'm going to use, but I'll probably get it. And then I have this one here. And then I have this one here too. And I also am bringing in an ivory paper for matting. And then all the pretty embellishments. So I really have no idea how I'm going to embellishment it. But it's going to be a pretty layout. I love it. I love it already. You know, I love it when it's Mente. Okay, now I need a divider paper. I knew it was going to happen sooner or later. That's why I thought I'm just going to put those there. Okay. And then this one here is day 26. And I'm using Mente Spring is Here again. Okay, and then I've also brought this in. It's just from a paper pad that it had various colors in it. I don't think it was, might have got that Tuesday morning. I'm not really sure. And then I brought in a solid white. So you see I don't actually have a big piece of Mente here. And because of my pictures and the layout, I'm not going to need a big piece. But I did bring all the small ones because I don't really know what I want to use with it, because it does need some other paper. And, oh, there's another little piece. And then, of course, all the embellishments, and I might need to cut out some more, I'm not sure. And then I'm bringing this alphabet, because every place this collection goes, or any of the Easter thing goes, I'm bringing this, or any spring ones, because it's hard for me to use multicolored letters. And so I'm just gonna bring it every place I go with this spring, one of the spring kits. So that's day number 26. Oh, and these are thickers even though they're flat, and it's called Wild Flowers, and I got them at a place called Pop Shop, and it's kind of like a Dollar Tree, or no, more like a Dollar General. Okay, and then this here is, oh, okay, I forgot, that goes with that. Okay, then this is day 28, and this is another one where it's like, I didn't know what I was going to do, but I went and looked for the embellishments. Now these embellishments are probably 23, 24 years old. I have to say I love them. And who are they? They're Susan Branch. Aren't they just so cute? And of course, I have no water that is this color, but that's what I was looking for, was water. And excuse me, I found this. It is from Craft Consortium, and the color is perfect. And so I thought I'm gonna use this with it. And then I brought in this wood from Asuka, and it's called Weathered Wood and Crystal, and that's the other side. I use one of these for a winter layout, and I have to say I just love it. And I never bought it for the crystal at all, but it is one of my favorite layouts. Okay, so this is what I got for the day 28. And that's another one, I just can't wait to do it. So that's it for today. And so I think I have, how many for today? 1, 2, I was trying to count earlier and I just couldn't even count, I guess. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7, and I also have one set aside that I'm actually going to use my collection obsession for next month. So, or for this month coming up. And yeah, I guess that's next month. So yeah, I must sat out in the sun too long today. So I do have more done than what I'm actually showing, just because I'm not going to show my collection obsession until the 1st. So I will have 4, hopefully, that you won't see. So yeah, I'm almost through it. Well, about a third of the way, I think. So thanks for joining me. I'll be back tomorrow with the next bunch, and that should take care of them. And then I will be, onto something else. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.